logarithmic equations. We have been given the question as if 6 log x to the base 3 plus 6 log y to the base 27 is equal to 7, then we need to find the values of x and y. So first of all, let's start with our what is given is 6 log x to the base 3 plus 6 log y to the base 27 is equal to 7. This is given to us. We'll move further. 6 log x to the base 3 plus, now see this 27 we can write as 3 raised to 3. So 6 log y to the base 3 raised to 3 is equal to 7. Okay. Now you concentrate on this term only. This is a kind of thing like this. Log a raised to beta n raised to alpha is equal to, this is the standard result. Now you compare this. What is the general rule? Let's first write here. Log n raised to alpha to the base a raised to beta is equal to, this is standard result. Its answer will always be alpha by beta log n to the base a. Why so? You can see that we can go now, concentrate on this. Log n raised to alpha to the base say x. We are taking another base. We can write this as this, a raised to beta. Okay. Therefore, we'll get alpha log n to the base x by beta log a to the base x. Okay. So the result will be alpha by beta log n to the base x upon log a to the base x, and we can further write it alpha by beta log. Now we are getting away with this common base, so it will become like this. The reverse operation we can also, we had taken x as a separate base for both terms. Now we are taking x away, so it will again become log n to the base a. So the final result of this is this, alpha by beta log a log n to the base a. Now you compare this with this, means this term is like this. Here it is what? It is log y to the base 3 raised to 3. Now y is not alone, it is y raised to 1, we can say that. Now this is your a, this is your alpha, sorry, this is your a, this is your beta, this is your n, and this is your alpha. So log a raised to b n raised to alpha is equal to alpha by beta log n to the base a. So here we can say that this term is equal to what? It is equal to alpha by beta. Alpha is what? Alpha is this 1 and beta is this 3. So 1 by 3 and log 3 y to the base 3. Okay. So this term, by comparing with this result, we can get 1 by 3 log y to the base 3. Okay. So we'll put this here. 6 log x to the base 3 plus 6, and for this we can write this 1 by 3 log y to the base 3 is equal to 7. Okay. So what we will get in the next step? 6 log x to the base 3. Now 6 by 3, it will get divided and will become 2 log y to the base 3 is equal to 7. Taking 2 as common, we will get 3 log x to the base 3 plus log y to the base 3 is equal to 7. Taking 2 on the other side, we are left with 3 log x to the base 3 plus log y to the base 3 is equal to 7 by 2, because 2 is taken on the other side. Now these are log with common base 3 and are in addition. So we can, first of all, let us do a thing. Let's write this term as this. Okay. Because by we can get it here on the exponent of x as an exponent of x. Now see, we have two terms of log with common base 3 and they are in addition. So ultimately it is called log 3 and they must be in multiplication. That's why they are called they are written in addition in the above step. Okay. Now from the very basic definition of log, what is the basic definition of log? If a is equal to b raised to x, then log of a to the base b is equal to x. This is the definition, basic definition of log. In that way, for an example, if 8 is equal to 2 raised to 3, then log of 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. Okay, this is how we write log. Now you compare this with this with this. It is log 3, log base is 3, here base is b, and this is your term a, and this is your term x. So what is the result? It is going reverse. We'll get a is equal to b raised to x. Okay, so x cube into y is equal to what? Is equal to b raised to x. B raised to x means 3 raised to 7 by 2 here. Okay. Got it? X cube y is equal to 3 raised to 7 by 2. And y into y, and here we can get it 3 raised to 7 by 2 broken into two parts, like 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 1 by 2, because 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 1 by 2 will ultimately be, because bases are same, we can say that 3 plus 1 by 3 raised to 3 plus 1 by 2 and 3 raised to 7 by 2. Okay, so 3 raised to 7 by 2 can be broken into two parts, 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 1 by 2. Now you compare with this right hand side and left hand side, you can get what? You can get x cube is equal to 3 raised to 3 and y is equal to 3 raised to 1 by 2. So ultimately x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3 raised to 1 by 2. That is your answer. Okay. Thank you. 6 log 3 and x is equal to 3 plus 6 log 27 3 raised to 1 by 2. So ultimately it is 6 plus 3 log 3 to the base 27. So 6 So your value of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3 by 3 raised to 1 by 2. You can compare, if you can cross verify, your question was 6 log x to the base 3 plus 6 log y to the base 27. You needed to prove that this is equal to 7. So let's cross verify. We have got the values of x now. X is equal to 3. We will put 3 here plus 6 log, and y is what? It is 3 raised to 1 by 2 and the base is 27. Now log 3 to the base 3 is equal to 1. So this term would be equal to 6 itself. Now for this term, it is 6 here, and take this 1 by 2 ahead here. So we'll be left with this. So let's move further. Here, let me write here. 6 is 6 plus 6 into 1 by 2 will be 3, and this is log 3 to the base 27. In the next step, 6 plus 3. Now we can get this term as this. Taking 3 as the common base, we'll get like this. Log 3 to the base 3 and log 27 to the base 3. So the next thing will be 6 plus 3, and now this log 3 to the base 3. Log 3 to the base 3 is equal to 1, and log 27 to the base 3 is equal to 3. Okay, so ultimately 6 plus this 3 will get cancelled, so it will become 1, and 6 plus 1 will be equal to 7. This is how you have cross verified your answers, and the answers are correct in that way. Okay, thank you.